video, we are going to cover a few stretches and drills which will help you to kick higher. This video is completely for beginners, so don't worry. Even if you are at a zero level of flexibility, these drills and stretches will definitely help you out. So now, let's get going.
You will begin this routine with few quick warm-up drills. The first exercise involves jumping jacks. In the second exercise, you will crisscross your legs sidewards. Keep breathing properly while doing these exercises. In the third exercise, you will look forward and crisscross your leg in forward direction. Now in the next exercise, alternatively, you will tap your knees to your hands. Control your breathing and aim to bring your knee even higher during this exercise. And now in the last exercise, you will be doing butt kicks for 30 seconds. Maintain a proper speed and keep looking forward. After performing these quick exercises, it's time to stretch your legs. It will consist of easy to follow along stretching exercises because today's routine is completely made for beginners. Keeping your spine straight, touch your hands to your feet and stay in the position for 20 seconds. After this, turn your side and touch your toes to your knees. Then you will perform the basic lunge. Kindly notice the position of your legs, and here the prime focus should be on stretching the inner thighs. Stay constant in this position and feel the stretch in your legs. Perform these lunges for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Now get down for the butterfly stretch. This will be very effective for your hip flexibility. Keep breathing properly, and if you feel a pain in your legs, don't push yourself. Now get up and prepare yourself for the forward bend. Here your focus should be to elongate your spine, your arms, and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. And after that, if you are comfortable, touch your nose to your knees. After this, you will stay in the frog pose. This stretch is very effective for hip flexibility. All you have to do is, you have to lie down on your knees in the position of half split and bend forward. As now we are done with slight stretches for our hip flexibility, it's time to stretch our front leg. This stretch will basically consist of the front lunge, the runner lunge, and a basic hamstring stretch. And after following all these stretches, you can perform the complete front splits or middle splits if you are flexible enough to do so. Note that if you want to learn splits or focus more on your flexibility, kindly check out the tutorials available in my channel. So basically, after following these quick warm-up drills, the stretching drills, you will begin your kicking drills. For beginners, the kicking drills will only consist of the 4 basic martial art kicks, that is, the front snap kick, roundhouse kick, side kick, or the axe kick. If you want to learn these basic martial art kicks, then follow my tutorials. The links are provided in description. To make it easier, you can take the support of wall while performing these basic martial art kicks. So this was all for today's kick higher routine, specially made for beginners. Make sure to follow my other martial arts videos and continue to practice.
I hope that these easy follow along stretches and methods will help you to kick higher as well as to improve your current flexibility level if you are a beginner. This was only the first day of our How to Kick Higher series, so please make sure you subscribe and click the notifications bell if you are new to this channel, because more tutorials are coming on the way and they are going to be specialized at intermediate and advanced level. I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up and share this tutorial with your training partners. See you in the next video. Till then, keep training and keep smiling.